Assalamu alaikum, this is Cafe Como. Today I will make a very special Moroccan food for me. As I made a video before, I love hummus / رغايف. The very special Eid is coming soon. I guess it's been a hard time for most of the people and for myself also. So I feel I need to celebrate this Eid making a video of my favorite food, رغايف of almond and honey. Because people need some sweetness for the hardship, right? This is incredibly sweet and full of fatty stuffs. But I warn you, once you taste it, you're gonna fall in love immediately like I did before. You definitely have to eat it when you have a chance, or you can just make it at home like I did. We start from step 1, kneading the dough. The dough making is basically the same with the normal one. I put the link here so that you can see how to make the basic semolina. It is also so delicious. For this رغايف, we have to add milk and egg. My mother-in-law used to put some orange blossom water in it, but sadly I could not find it in my local supermarket here, and I didn't dare to search for it in this situation. I simply replaced it with lukewarm water. And a little bit of butter will do no harm. Wait for 15 minutes and divide the dough. I've got 28 portions. This will make 14 رغايفs. Next, put almond flour, sugar, and melted butter together and make 14 balls out of it. the dough is rested for about 1 hour, start to make the رغايف. Same method with the basic one, but this dough is more elastic and that's why it can be easier to tear. But don't despair, it will never show. Just fold the torn part in first, then cover it with the fine part. Put the first dough on the second sheet, as it should be done to make basic semolina, then flatten it a little bit. Put the almond ball on the top of the flattened dough and distribute the almond paste evenly. Cover with the edge of the second dough sheets. Set it aside. After I managed to make 14 رغايف, I heated the vegetable oil. It is time to go to step 3. Pan fry the رغايف dough on the medium heat until its color becomes golden brown. The oil was not needed as much as I expected it would be for frying them. After I cooked them, I put them on a colander, hoping that some oil will be drained out from the رغايف. If they're all fried, cool them and you can put them in a Ziploc bag or container and keep them in the fridge for several days. When it is time to serve, we have to go for the step 4. The honey has high viscosity in room temperature, so we have to heat it until it becomes hot and dribble. I put some oil in it, thinking it will make the honey more watery, but now I don't think it is necessary. Just heat it well enough. If you happen to have the orange blossom water, you can add it here. Pick the hot رغايف and dip it into the hot honey and shake it off a bit. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds. Finally, I can taste this delicacy. After all the hard work, this is the moment we all look for, right? Firstly, the outer skin gives a crispy texture, while the inner part of the رغايف is so soft, and then eventually you get the crunchiness of the sugar, and finally the satiety from the almond paste. I hope you all have a happy Eid, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Slama.